last video, you have seen the factorization method of solution of quadratic equation. Now, actually in your textbook, if you refer your textbook, there is one more method called completing the square method, but for this academic session, it has been deleted. So, we have to go on to the next method, that is roots of a quadratic equation by formula method. What is that formula method? Here, the formula method is, the formula to find the roots of a quadratic equation is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2a. What is the value of d? D you have to calculate by using the formula b squared minus 4ac. Now, I know if I say this, you will not be able to understand. In order to understand this, I will take an example to make you understand all these things. Suppose if the problem given to me is find the roots of a quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 using formula method. This problem is given to me. I will explain you step by step how to use the formula method. The first step in the method is equate it with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. From this you can very easily say that a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3. So, the first step is find the values of a, b and c. Second step is find the value of d, discriminant. How to find it out? There is a formula, b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So, b means how much? Minus 7 square, and 4 into a is how much? 2 and c is how much? 3. So, minus 7 square is 49, minus 4 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So, children, I will get the value of discriminant d as 1 and square root of that d is square root of 1 and square root of 1 is very well you know it, it's 1. So, let me repeat what I have said so far. First, write the quadratic equation as it is, step number 1. From that, get the values of a, b and c. That completes first step. In the second step, calculate the value of d. How to calculate the value of d? Use the formula b squared minus 4ac. Put the values of b, a and c. You will get the value of d. From that, you find out the square root of d. Now, in the third step, you have to use x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2a. Here you put the values here and then you will get the solution. What are the values? Let us see. Check the values. B stands for minus 7 and here d is how much? 1 and a is 2. So, what I have done is, first step, find the values of a, b, c. Second step, find the value of d. Third step, write x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2a. Put the values. So, what is that I will get? Minus of minus is plus, plus or minus 1 divided by 4. So, that means what? X is equal to 7 plus 1 by 4 or x is equal to 7 minus 1 divided by 4. Now, 7 plus 1 is 8 divided by 4 and that is equal to 2, or x is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6 divided by 4, that is equal to how much? 3 by 2. So, x is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to 2. So, this is how you have to use the formula method to solve the problem. Now, let us take up the next one. Now, this is very systematic actually. Now, let us see the same method you have to apply everywhere. Let us take an example where this equation has to be solved by formula method. Our step number 1 says find the values of a, b, c. Follow the step. This a is 4. So, I will write here a as 4. Our b is 4 root 3. So, let me write the value of b as 4 root 3. Our c is 3. So, I will write here c as 3. So first step is over. Write the values of A, B, C correctly. That is written. In the second step, what I should write? Discriminant 4 root B, discriminant value, that is D is called discriminant. B square minus 4AC, 4 4s are 16 and 3. So this is 16 3s are 48 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So the discriminant is equal to, or D is equal to how much? 0. And if D is equal to 0, then root D is equal to 0. Now let us put this value in the given formula. So x is equal to minus of B plus or minus this into 2 into A. Let us see what is the value of B. The value of B is 4 root 3 divided by 2 into A is how much? 4. So root D is 0. So what I get here is x is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by 8, and this plus or minus 0 is not there, so I will get here how much? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, or second time also I have to write x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So this is how you can solve a given problem by using formula method. The key points in the formula method is, first step you have to find the value of A, B, C. Second step you have to find the value of D. D means what? B squared minus 4AC. In the third step you have to find the value of x. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root D by 2A. So if you follow these 3 steps in the formula method, you can solve any problem. Now let us see here how we can solve these problems using formula method. Again the same thing I will tell you. Go for step 1. What is that step 1? Find the values of A, B, C. See here, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 6, and C is equal to 3. This is our first step. Find the values of A, B and C. What is our second step? In second step we find the discriminant, and what is that? Discriminant is equal to B squared minus 4AC. What is the value of B? You have to put A value, you have to put, and C value you have to put. B is minus 6, A is 2 and C is 3. So 6 square is 36, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That means this is equal to 12, and that means D is equal to 12. I want root D. Root D is equal to square root of 12, and square root of 12 means what? 4 into 3. 4 into 3 means how much? 2 root 3. So this is the value of D. First step ABC, second step D, third step, in step third what we do is x is equal to minus B plus or minus root D divided by 2A. So let us see, let us put the values here and check out what we get. See here, what is the value of B? You note it, minus B means what? Minus B means minus of minus 6 plus root D. Root D means how much? 2 root 3. 2 into A means how much? 2. So this becomes minus of minus is plus. So 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 4. So if I take 2 common here, what remains in the bracket is 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the value of x is 3 plus root 3 divided by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. So what I have done here is I have found the values of or roots of x here. In the next problem also same method we have to do. Now slowly and steadily I will make the things very fast. See here, directly I will say a is equal to 2. Here b is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 4. Step 1. Find the values of a, b, c. Step 2. Find discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Put the values here, b squared minus 4 into a into c. b is how much? 1. A is how much? 2. This is how much? Minus 4. So this becomes how much? 1 square is 1. Minus of plus is minus. Minus of minus is plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. So discriminant is equal to 33. So root d is equal to root 33. Now second step is over, finding the value of d. In the third step, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2 into a. So let us put the values of b and then substitute and check out the answer. See here, minus b is how much here? B is 1. So minus 1 plus or minus root 33 divided by 2 into a is 2. A is 2. B is 1 and root d is 33. So this is equal to x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 33 divided by 4. That means x is equal to 1 plus root 33 by 4 or x is equal to 1 minus root 33 divided by 4. So this is how you can solve any problem. Now directly if at all I want to solve it, here also same method I have to apply. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, c is equal to 4. This if I simplify, I have to use what? D is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Now see what is b. B is equal to minus 4 root 3, a is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Just you see minus 4 root 3 square. Minus 4 root 3 square means what? Minus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into 4 is 16 into 3. That is equal to 48. So what I am getting here is discriminant is equal to 48 minus 48. That is equal to 0. So root d is equal to root 0. That is root d is equal to 0. So children, first step is over. Find the value of ABC. Second step is find the value of root d. Third step is x equals to minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2 times of a. So minus b plus or minus root d is 0 and a 2 into a is how much? 3. Minus b is minus 4 root 3. So this becomes x is equal to 4 root 3 divided by 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2 root 3 divided by 3, or we have to write again x is equal to 2 root 3 divided by 3. We say roots are repeated. So children, lastly I conclude here by saying that if you want to use the formula method, follow these 3 steps. In the first step, find the values of ABC. In the second step, find the value of discriminant. In the third step, put the values in the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root d divided by 2a. So this is the key to solve all the problems by formula method.